If you are thinking about babying your new car for 1,000 miles, you might want to reconsider. The old rules for engine braking have changed, and following them could be harming your engine's long-term performance. For decades, the advice was to drive gently for an extended period. This was necessary for older engines to allow the piston rings to slowly wear in and seal against the cylinder walls. However, modern engines are built to a much higher standard. Today, factories use a sophisticated process called plateau honing, which pre-prepares the cylinder walls, creating an almost perfect seal from the very start. The goal of a break-in is now to perfect this seal, not create it from scratch. The real danger with a modern engine isn't driving it too hard, but driving it too gently. A long, low-load break-in can lead to a condition called bore glazing. This is where the cylinder walls become too polished, preventing the piston rings from ever seating properly. The result is a permanent loss of power and increased oil consumption over time. So why do manufacturers still recommend the long, gentle break-in? It's a case of playing it safe and covering all bases. This extended period allows other components, like the brakes, tyres and transmission, to bed in properly. It also gives new owners time to get accustomed to the vehicle. While the engine itself is ready for a faster break-in, the 1,000-mile recommendation is a catch-all guideline for the entire car. Experts now recommend a faster, more effective running-in period of about 200 miles. The goal is to use varied engine loads to create the perfect final seal. After letting the engine fully warm up, the process is simple. In the lower gears, accelerate moderately, then let the engine's natural braking slow the car down. Repeat this cycle of loading and unloading, and as you do, gradually increase the engine load and the revs. Over the 200 miles, you'll progressively build up to using higher gears and eventually reach full throttle in the mid-range. This purposeful driving ensures the piston rings seat perfectly. A faster, controlled run-in is the key to unlocking your modern engine's true potential and longevity. For today's cars, the 1,000-mile myth is officially busted. However, if you have an engine that has already suffered from an improper break-in, don't lose hope. If you need expert help with bore glazing, automotive specialists recommend Oil Sin Release Tech products to remove the glaze and give that engine a second chance.